Yo, we are out in Korea, and of course we gotta hit up some Nike outlets, you guys, or Nike stores. Starting with the first spot right here. We're at the Hyundai City outlets. I'm so confused, dog. I'm so confused. So we're at a mall, and I think each floor is owned by like different brands or something. It's like a store within a store. This is weird, but this is the first Nike store in Korea. We're in the Chong district. And I guess this is all the Nike sneakers they got in this Nike store. Yesterday was Jordan release day, and I do not see any Ferraris. I don't see any Ferrari 14s here. I know these fools ain't into Jordans like that. This is 101,000 wons. Right now, I think the conversion's 1,300 to 1. So I think that's what, 80 bucks? So yeah, so these are about like 75 bucks, I believe. Yeah, they definitely don't have any J's here. They do got some LeBron, 76,000. So what's that like? It's under 60 bucks. But these are not the latest generation. These are the next gens, but the new ones should be coming out, right? Got Zion 3s right here, 76,000 won. Why did they put the right shoe out? They should have the left shoe, shouldn't they? What the hell? Looks better when whatever. But yeah, I think that's what, 60 bucks. Dunks right here. So like $50, something like that. These are like 40 at 59,000 won, like 40 bucks. These have been marked down to 107,000 wons. So that's probably like what, $80-something. Got Vomeros right here. This one's on sale for 113,000 wons. So that was some of the stuff in the lifestyle. They got running section right here. They got separate trail running and then road running on the bottom. Pegasus go for 118,000 wons. That's under 100 bucks. But yeah, this is definitely not an outlet, a regular retail store. I think all the outlets are in the outskirts. I'm gonna try to hit up a few up, but as I go through the city, I'll try to hit up as many of these Nike stores. I believe they have a New Balance right there as well, so we'll check out a few different spots here. Rejuvenate slides right here. These go for retail. Curious to see what the retail price on this is. So 62,000 won, so that's like what, 45 bucks, something like that. I think that's cheaper. I think that's cheaper than retail in the States. Running section for the women right here. Nothing crazy, to be really honest. And yeah, definitely no Jordan 14s. All right, this is the Nike store out in the Chong district. So it looks like this entire floor is different sneaker shops. It's like weird because it's like one big department store, but I think each section is its own shop. They have a Fila, they have a Skechers, New Era, Kangol. What? I haven't heard this since like 1993. Like, what the hell? I guess that's still popping out here. They have a Crocs, Converse section. They have a Adidas, who actually has a wall. And then there's New Balance right here. Everything going for retail prices. All their 574s going for regular price. These are 574s. Are these the Ruggeds or something? I don't know. Even this stuff looks different. The quality looks so much better. But it is a 574. I don't know, but this is a little bit more. 149,000 wons. So like what's that, like 120 or something? Yeah, this one's pretty nice too. The regular 574s, they were what, 120,000 wons? I think that's about $90. So about the same retail price. They got some of the 1080s right here. These are going for 200,000 and 200,000 watts. I think that's, I don't know, man. I'm tired of doing the conversions for you guys. So bad, you guys. Yeah, this mall's weird as hell because each store, it's like one big department store. It looks like one big department store, but each area it's its own store. This is Adidas right here. Apparently nobody plays hoops out here. I don't see no hoop shoes, no hoop sneakers. Apparently they're really getting into running because I see a lot of running shoes. Some Ultra Boost right here, 180,000 won. So that is below retail. It's 180,000 won. That's probably what, 140 or something? They do have Gazelle, stuff like that, 143,000, which is still like $105, something like that. So yeah, the retail for all these are higher because it's saying it's on sale. Damn. And then do got the Adizero Boss 13s, one of their premier daily runners. This is a staple for anybody who runs with Adidas. 161,000. So is that like 120 or something? SL2s going for 134,000. 161 for these Bostons right here. The Adios Pro 4s, 300,000 ones right here. So that's what, 170 bucks, something like that. I don't think Koreans play hoops, dog. I don't see no basketball sneakers here, man. I thought they was getting into it a little bit more, but apparently not, man. Apparently not. All right, everything here is retail and selection's okay, but nothing crazy. This is the Adidas store in what neighborhood did I say? What neighborhood did I say? I don't remember. Gwangdo? I don't know, dude. I don't know. All right, like I said, the Chong district. This is the Crocs section right here, where I see a bunch of stuff go for 60,000 won. So it's a little under retail. It's a little under retail. All right, I think that's it, you guys. We're gonna go to another spot, maybe tomorrow. This is the directory right here, 5F. This is where all the sports apparel is. Got Nike, Adidas, New Balance, Under Armour, Puma. Yeah, their malls here are a little bit weird, dog. Fourth is like casual attire for younger people, I guess. Women's fashion and women's shoes right here in the third floor. And I think it's a bunch of different stores, like I said, I think. Second floor, Seoul edition. I think it's like K-pop stuff. K-pop and animation and stuff like that, right? Oh, there's a couple skin care places or something. Then this is just women's fashion in general. And I guess there's Tommy Hilfiger. I guess they have a bunch of different stores here as well. Mine, I don't know. That was the Hyundai City outlets right here. Look at how freaking tall that was. Holy cow. And then as soon as you get out, supposedly there's another Nike store in this mall. I don't know. Let's go check it out, dude. I'm so confused. All right, man. My brother-in-law and I, we're so confused. We're so confused. All right, let's go check out this mall. What the fuck? Oh, push. Oh, shit, what the hell? Yeah, look, there's another Nike store right here. Holy crap. 2 malls and then 2 Nike stores, but they're all small as hell. Look at this. This is the second Nike store right here. I see Jordan Retros, kinda. Jordan 1 lows. All right, got performance stuff. I see some Jordan Retros over here. White cement 4s. Oh, it's a grade school though. 6Y it looks like. All they got. They got 1s. Is this just grade school? Oh, snap. It just keeps going. Nike store keeps on. Oh, they do have a customization area just like the Santa Monica store. You can make your whatever looking Air Forces and Cortez look all customized, I guess. Then apparently we got the men's section over here. Am I gonna see the 14s? I doubt it. There's no way, right? They do got Jordan Retros here, but definitely don't see no 14s. Do see the white cements. Yeah, they look, man, I'm sorry, dude. That leather. So I know some people say no, it's better quality, it's full grain, blah blah, all that stuff, but I'm just not feeling it. Do got white cement 4s here. And they're going for what? 279. 279,000 wons. Pretty sure that's about 225. That is retail. Got 1s and 1s. Got the Luca 4s right here. 159,000, so you know, like 120, 130 bucks. They got the budget line, the Luca .77s. 130, so a little under 100 bucks, probably like $95. They got a second colorway of those right here. And they got the Zion 4s. I saw these for $40 at the outlets in LA, but it wasn't my size, unfortunately. It wasn't my size. You do have to go, well, technically it was my size because it's 10.5, but you have to go up at least half a size. And these are narrow. I'm a wide footer, so these just did not work. What the hell? They got flowers, though? Why do they got flowers? Like, how many guys? Like, I don't know, maybe this one's for the women? 169,000. And yeah, that's like what, 130 or something, 125, 130. Then got a second colorway, third colorway of the Luca 4s right here. GT Hustle 3s. I've never seen these colorways right here. These are pretty dope. 230 for these. So what's that, like 160, 170? Probably like 170-ish. Got twos right here, 150,000 wons. So it's probably like what, 125 or something. Yeah. So all right. So they did not get the Ferrari 14s. I don't think they released in Korea because I did talk to one of the workers and I showed her a picture and she's like, I haven't heard of those releasing out here. So it doesn't look like they got them. This is more of the other stuff they got. Kind of same stuff that we've seen at most of the other stores. Vomero's coming out in more wild colorways. It's pretty interesting. 190,000 won, so about 150. So pretty dope, pretty dope. Oh, they did go up 10,000 won, so they did go up $5 or what, $6, $7? I don't know. But yeah, they did go up a few dollars. And that fool's wearing his right now. The Vomero 18s. I'm wearing my Pegasus, old Pegasus 35 turbos. But they do got a Shake Shack right here. We're gonna try a few American food places here and see if they are any different. This is their customization spot right here. The Nike by You section. They have all these, stickers? There's stuff that you can get, logos, all this stuff that you can get, like Nike Soul and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. They have different stuff. So I think this is for t-shirts and stuff like that. I don't know if they could put those on shoes because I see a bunch of customized t-shirts. But they do have stuff for your shoes as well. It's like laces, all that. I don't know what the hell those are. But yeah, the little accessories that you can put on with the laces and stuff. And they got you with the K-pop as well. Are we gonna be hearing a lot of this out here? I don't know. But yeah, that's the two Nike stores next to my hotel, you guys. This is the Duta mall location. And you do get an extra 20% off. Looks like, I was telling my brother-in-law, it's kind of cool because they give you dates here. They don't really have dates in America whenever they have the sales. But yeah, do you get 20% off? Pretty cool. All right, I'm too lazy to do the math. They have a majority of the first floor here, along with Shake Shack. That's the majority of it. Then I think on the other side, they do have a little Under Armour store, but we need to get back to our hotel. We need to check in. So get the hell out of here. All right, random spot, man. You know, I gotta check it out. It says final sale, 90% off. This is some real too. I don't know if this is a liquidation store or what. A few blocks away from my hotel. Finally stopped wearing Skechers, wearing some Invincible runs. Got some BY Dubs right here, some Adidas BY Dubs. What they talking about though? 89,000. It's not really that cheap, to be honest. Superstars right here, 66,000. It's probably like $50. I haven't seen Pure Boost Goes in forever. 59,000. I think I had that colorway too. 59,000 ones, which is, I don't know, probably like 40, $45. I got apparel over here. They got some Adidas apparel and stuff. You found anything, fool? No Nike products? Can't find no Nike products. 49,000 wands right here. So what's that, like 30, $35? $37? I don't know. Does it say Ross Sports Shop? Is it like a wannabe Ross? Where they just try to get a bunch of, the liquidated stuff that couldn't move. They do have Spider, just like Ross. This is a nice Adidas jacket right here, 79,000 wands. It's like super thick. It's a pullover, not a jacket, my bad. It's a pullover. And it is Adidas, like the Asia stuff, which is a little bit different. But yeah, 79,000. So yeah, was that like $65? See tons and tons of Adidas stuff. Got shorts right here. Not really seeing any Nike stuff. Soccer shorts over here. Soccer shorts probably high in demand over here. 29,000 won. So is that like $23, something like that? Is that MLB? Is that a Padres? Is that a Padres jacket? I don't know what name brand it is. I don't know. It is for Korea though. Yeah, got a nice little MLB jacket, MLB brand. Kind of interesting. Yeah, these bad boys go for 54,000 won, so what, like 40, $45, something like that. Pretty interesting spot. Didn't find anything that I really need here, but Does look like it is the Ross of Korea. Got Nike socks right here. I don't know about that. I don't know about that, dog. I don't know. I don't know. But they do have, I believe they have plenty of stores like this. I don't know. Haven't really seen too many stores like this. But yeah, they got this store here. Man, I haven't had a meal on a plane in years. This is crazy. I didn't even know they do this. Look. My boy got some beef stew right there. I got some curry. I don't know why the hell I chose curry, but I just want to try something different. But yeah, you got beef stew. I should have just got a beef stew so you could have it too, huh? Sorry, my bad, doggy. My bad, doggy. Mom got a bibimbap, so Korean food. And he got a beef stew. Look at that. Dang. That doesn't look bad, huh?
Yeah, it's not bad.
I should have got another one for you. My bad, dog. Korean area, you get a metal knife. Like, it's like a butter knife, but it's kind of crazy. You get like actual silverware. It's kind of crazy. It's like better silverware than I have at home, huh? Yeah. That says more about me than the airlines. All right, apparently came up to the, what's this? The Seoul Tower. Yeah, that's the Han River right there. And then Los Angeles is what? 9,000 kilometers? Well, we don't know kilometers. I'm just joking. I know most fools know kilometers. And then apparently people sign. Is that right? Is that loud? Are we supposed to do that? I don't know. I'm so confused. So confused? Damn, Seoul is pretty freaking huge. Makes LA look so small. Holy crap, you can kind of see the entire city and there's just buildings everywhere. Holy cow, no wonder why there's like 700 Nike stores around here. They're all like really small though, but yeah, it just keeps going. It's crazy. All right, walking through Seoul. Brother-in-law hoping we don't get lost. He's using Apple Maps, I'm using Google Maps. Yeah, it's definitely interesting out here. And this is apparently one of the famous gates here from way back when. They have emperors and stuff like that way back when. Minju. I don't know, I screwed that up. It's in Dongdaemun though. It's in Dongdaemun, which is one of the more well-known areas here. And now we gotta walk like crazy. And it's hot as hell, man. It is hot as hell. It's humid. This definitely ain't LA, man. I'll tell you that. Korea is interesting because it's like a mixture of like a lot of old school stuff and like a lot of new school stuff. Apparently their architecture, like look at that, like it's got like wires sitting like everywhere, and it's not even like waterproofed or nothing. Like damn, dude, that's crazy. We will be trying a bunch of American restaurants here. I'm so curious about all that shit. 15 centimeters? What the hell? I don't know what centimeters are. Shut the fuck. Dang, they just have stores right on the street. How do people not get like run over like all the time? What the hell? God dang, dude. This is a Hyundai dealership. Look what, damn, that is crazy how small this Hyundai dealership is. Holy cow, they literally have three cars inside their showroom. Wow, life definitely is different in Korea. That's crazy. In Korea, again, eating too much. What a buffet, and these fools ordered steak. Not these fools, but the people we're with ordered some steak. Kiddo's loving it. Kiddo's loving. Is that medium? Is that medium or medium rare, Evan?
I'd say this is like
medium rare plus? Medium rare plus, maybe? How's it taste? Grabbing, huh? Oh, grab some potatoes, fool?